Today we are taking you with us for a full day here in Ella, Sri Lanka.
And it starts with the gym.
It's 9 a.m. Let's start our workout.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning,
Not the first thing you would expect in Ella. But we love to stay active while we travel. Let's go.
Next up, waterfall.
Let's go.
Wow, look at it.
Beautiful.
And it goes all the way up. You can kind of see it up in the mountain, up at the top. And there. Crazy beautiful.
Made it.
So this water is steeped in Sri Lankan mythology. The legend says that the demon king Ravana kidnapped Princess Sita and held her captive in a cave nearby the waterfalls. And this story is of particular importance in the Hindu religion. Next stop is the Secret Waterfalls. Let's see how secret they are.
Thank you.
Oh. So many yellow butterflies. Okay, I guess it's pretty hidden, all right. There's only 4 other people here, so let's explore. I put my foot in the tree, yeah. Nice. We made it to the bottom of the Secret Waterfalls, and it's definitely still a secret because we're the only people down here. There's a couple that we passed along the way, but in this section, it's just us.
It's just us, and we're in the middle of a rainforest. And it's kind of cool, gives me the jungle vibes. And also we're surrounded by a couple of monkeys. I just saw them in that tree up there, like jumping around.
Yeah, it's very relaxing, very much in nature here. You can also swim in this water, and apparently there are the fish up there that will like eat the skin off your feet, but I didn't want to give that a go. So we're gonna sit, take in the nature, take in the sounds of the waterfalls before we head back.
We've always wanted to do a cooking class, and today is the day.
Yeah, so we booked ourselves in to do a Sri Lankan cooking class here in Ella, and it cost us 4,500 rupees each, and we should get to learn how to cook a traditional Sri Lankan curry. Let's see how it goes.
You can keep your packages over here.
Ah, okay.
And wash your hands first.
Okay.
And come.
Thank you.
Rice, dal curry, coconut sambol, coconut roti, papadam, and a 5 type of vegetable curry, and a banana fritters for your dessert. We are using only these spices. All Sri Lankan, right?
Wow.
What
What is it again?
Some leaf curry leaf.
Yeah. Let's try. So yeah.
And for the third time, when I drop the water,
Oh wow.
you can see the rice.
Difference, yeah.
It's much clear, right? Alright, one small one. Now you can open up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Now
One
you can
more?
decide. Right.
Ah.
Now you can open up.
Wow.
Like him. There you are. Right. You can drink
on.
this one.
Okay.
Try this one. Alright. Now you. How is the taste?
Fresh
Good,
coconut
no?
water. Yeah.
Give your other fingers and drop like. Yes, sir. You can give this one and hold one hand and use your other fingers and drop like. Yes, sir. You can leave it that one.
Okay.
He will finish it. You don't like it?
Yeah.
I want to give you to taste of this one. Right. To get the milk out of this straight coconut, you are using this blend. If we use the cold water, the room temperature water to get the milk out of this one, it is not react with this soil. And you are not getting the maximum milk. We are using the hot water. And when you keep at least half an hour, this will be nicely get. Alright. Through both the and you take this tray back. Now your turn. Is and you put a two piece and take the spoons and stir it. Control down. Now I'm going to mix with this one all, and these two always every half a minute with the roasted curry powder. You can take the salt, the sugar, full up.
Full.
Yeah. One, another one same like. Now I mix. You have to mix. Now you stick.
Yeah.
Right, enough. Okay, and
Nice.
It's time to eat.
cook, right? You all cook
Yeah, we did.
and enjoy your meal, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Oh,
You ready?
nice. Yeah, it's already.
National video.
Okay. So with the dog. It's pretty good.
I like the pineapple. It's really nice.
The pineapple and actually the pumpkin. I really like the pumpkin.
What else the banana? Did you try?
No.
I think the pineapple is too spicy for me.
All your vegetables, right?
They're really nice. They're like crisps.
Thank you.
So the taste test. So good. I have to try it.